everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to resize a photo using PicsArt app. This method is super easy and perfect for social media, thumbnails, or any custom size that you need. So let's get started. First, just open PicsArt app, and once the app is open, just tap on create or plus button like this, and then next just tap on edit an image or video, and then just choose your image that you want. Just choose the image or photo that you want, for example like this. And after your photo is loaded like this, just go to the bottom menu, tap on tools, this one, and then next just tap on resize like this. In here you can adjust the image size however you like. You can change the width and height manually like this, for example like this or like this. And then once you're happy with the size, just tap on apply or resize like this. And then next you can also adjust the aspect ratio. Just tap on the fit tools like this, and then in here you can choose the aspect ratio that you want, like just choose one depending on your needs, like maybe for Instagram, YouTube, or custom dimensions that you like. In here you can choose the size that you want, and then next you can also choose the color background over here, and also or you can also choose the background with image or texture like this, with image like this, or maybe also you can also choose with shadow like this. Adjust the shadow, and when everything looks good, just tap on check mark, and then next just save by tap on the download button at the top right corner. And okay, that's it. That's how you can easily resize any image using the PicsArt app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.